This story started a village named Dearpur. There are some unusual activities in their village, and the women working in the streets. They have high levels faith among. There is a noble person named Satya Baba. His entry like a film mode. He stays not a cottage of a river. He says himself of servant of ships. He says he that in a dreams. He says he ordered a dream. He says he received in an order of dreams. Every day, every girl will pass by with her little bundle of silence. When they returned, their eyes would be filled with tears and their tongues would be silent. With one word, God will give you powerful help. If anyone asked, they would say, so Baba is a magician. No one ever spoke the truth till today. Pradhan of the village did say that he will give you a house in the village, but Baba says never. It feels good whenever the sun shines. A woman full of outed village started coming. Baba house was filled with cozies. Single woman in entered a house and Baba says his good is your. May your shadows and soon. The women are very cry in back home and every day is not sing. One day village teachers Rekha Devi come back a village. She feels who returned to Baba house would be tired. His heart began to doubt. Rekha says to talk like a woman, but no one said anything. One woman says, keep quiet. Please don't sit with me. Baba gets angry. These lines Rekha feel. He did call the police friend. This secret was reported to the headquarters. This information was released. He come to Shraddha, IPS Shraddha officer. She introduces the woman. She is a leader police officer. This is a distance that could be life. She knows there is no evidence in the case. In these cases, she's no. Shraddha changed the clothes. Shraddha changed the clothes. Shraddha wears the sari. Shraddha acting in mothers. She looked like a girl from a village, and she dreams like a mother. Next day, Shraddha, she's come to our village in Baba house, and she says every moment in line. Shraddha saying every moment in line. Shraddha's acting, she is very upset woman in the village. Shraddha comes to Rome. The internal system was very changed. Baba sit in the room corner. Baba Satyaman eyes closed. His eyes is very closed. Baba says you are not a mother, but I think you like a mother. You like a babies, you like a children. Okay, then sit down. Baba says take this and put it on your head. Shraddha heart has been fast on forehead. She smell is burnt out. She started to feel dizzy. Shraddha eyes has closed. She's feelings she started failing. It was dark when she woke up. She's body was grated. Shraddha heartbeats is very fast. Shraddha feels become a victim of Baba. She is very silent in a home. His voice was getting hoarse. She kept talking it until it was full. Baba sits silently and now what says Baba? As if nothing had happened. Shraddha backs to home and Shraddha says, a boy. Sit in a boy sit in house gate. Boy say Shraddha, but no say Shraddha. Shraddha come main road. Rickshaw driver waiting in Shraddha. Rickshaw driver says plan is successful. I am not a fool, but who will be trapped in this? She is come to save a case. Shraddha come a house, unlocked a bathroom, and put in shower. She get up and call Dr. Neela. Dr. Neela is Shraddha's friend. Dr. Neela checked the Shraddha and waiting reports. Neela heard Shraddha and Neela says, you are not a weak. You are a IPS officer. You are a police IPS officer. You are a powerful woman lady. Shraddha wears a police officer uniform. Shraddha comes are a woman in village. Shraddhas are women victims in a very powerful. Shraddha says, my team is very powerful and Shraddha's order, my team has come in Baba house and checked the house. That one is very white powder and chemicals and very average victims in Baba house. He was the one who has found in mixed and is called is Pakut. Shredder was case and victims and evidence. Shraddha says this fight is not easy, but I worked. Everyone was with Baba. Politicians are very strong, says in Baba. All politicians called Shraddha and says Baba is always right. You are wrong and you are a wrong person and your victims, your evidence is all wrong. Shraddha is silent and call this ended. Shraddha is told everything in senior officers PJ Lal Rao. Senior officer says Shraddha, you are a very strong woman. You come and I sit your backbone. Understand? Shraddha comes to a village and Babaji sit on a home. Baba's thinking it feels like nothing had happened. Shraddha come to a home, Baba's and Baba sang the Shraddha. Baba's face was smiling and Baba says, you are come to my house? What happened? And Shraddha says, now will be a punished. All police officers come to Baba house and waiting. Baba gives and Baba's hand gives to Hath Kadiya. Baba sit in a police car and Shraddha's come to police car to back. There was a court case and there was a noise. The media was in an uproar. All persons is all other minded. One says Shraddha is right and one says Shraddha is wrong. All papers, every person is ever thinking. Baba's lawyer says that my man is very strong and every evidence is lawyer fake. Shraddha is very big liar. Baba's lawyer says he is just a story, not a real life. Every woman has called that and every woman says about victims and evidences. Every woman told the truth and Shraddha case is very strong. She kept his hand on his stomach. She kept his hand his belly because belly is 4 months in a baby. And baby is not a Shraddha weakness because Shraddha is very strong woman and baby is very strong for Shraddha. Shraddha told everything is truth. All will be quiet. Shraddha volume is very slowed, but Shraddha is always told the truth. And Shraddha is very powerful woman and she says, "Okay, I am a big victim of Baba." And every person says Baba's was punishment because Baba is lawyer. Case has solved and Shraddha's win the case. Baba's face very upset.